Don't panic. That's the first step that I tell my clients when they contact me and say, hey, something's going on. I'm losing my hair. All right. Now, this is really, really important. The first step you're going to do is contact your hairstylist. She should be able to give you an exam and say, hey, you need to see a dermatologist, or you can go directly to your dermatologist. All right. They're going to do 3 tests, or these are the tests that they normally do. They're going to do a culture where they scrape the scalp. The second one could be a biopsy where they take a plug of your scalp to see what's going on, the underlying issue. Or 3, they're going to do your blood work, right? So those are the steps. Second thing you're going to do is implement whatever the information that your doctor has given you, your dermatologist has given you. You're going to implement that into your life immediately to stop the hair loss, right? And number 3, you're going to create the massage techniques, the hair follicle massages. I would implement them at the nighttime or whatnot. That's also going to, give you relaxation. Get some nice tea, maybe chamomile or something like that. Relax. If you have your baby while you're massaging your hair, massage their head as well. They love that as well. And last but not least, build your faith. Instead of watching videos and reading about articles of women losing their hair and what's the reason why I'm losing my hair, and going to the internet and internet diagnosing yourself, right? Because you've already went to the doctor. Instead of focusing on that negative, I need you to look at the videos where you see women who went through what you went through, right? And they have restored their hair. So you're going to look for positive videos that's going to help you focus on the positive. Shifting your mindset is one of the main reasons that you can restore your hair, because you stop focusing on, oh my God, I saw so much hair in my brush, I saw this and that or whatnot. And you got the diagnosis letting you know your hair can be restored, right? So why focus on that? That's going to help you build your faith. And as you're building your faith, you're also building patience, because your hair is not going to turn around and grow in 3 days. Okay. If it does, woohoo. But if it doesn't, you already know you're in the process of restoring your hair. Let's focus on the positive. And if you're a mom that's going through postpartum hair loss, and maybe experiencing postpartum hair loss or an underlying issue, there is no cost information on my profile that you should check out. All right. I'll see you ladies next video. Bye.